Do I really need insurance when renting a car? Rental car companies usually offer customers additional rental car insurance for an added fee. While these policies are optional, not having coverage might leave you fully liable if an accident or damage occurs. But that doesn't mean you'll need to buy coverage from the rental company. Your personal auto insurance or credit card company might provide benefits that extend to rented vehicles. Homeowners or renters insurance may also cover damaged or stolen property if your rental car is vandalized, broken into, or involved in an accident. Understanding your personal policy's terms and exclusions, including differences in coverage for renting a car in or outside of the U.S., will help you decide whether or not to purchase the additional insurance. To be safe, carefully read your insurance terms, or just ask your agent what is and is not covered by your home and auto policies to determine if you need the rental company's optional insurance or not. Speak with a local Trusted Choice agent to get car insurance quotes from multiple carriers that cover all of your specific needs. Depending on the plan you choose, rental car coverage, roadside assistance, and other valuable services may be included. Be independent. Go independent.